Travel with a conscience. Sam Travel recently organized a cleaning campaign along the Laris Trail. Our volunteers reflect what we aim to achieve in educating future generations about protecting the environment. We want to ensure the preservation of all trails and tracks to Machu Picchu and promote sustainability in isolated indigenous communities. The plastic found along the trail is not biodegradable and creates a hazard for the unique flora and fauna in these regions.
Thank you to our youth for joining us in this great endeavor. We hope to have inspired you to take part in other cleaning campaigns. We will look forward to doing more events like this in future, and we welcome your participation. Remember to minimize your footprint.